how to fix the button that's not working on this Nissan Versa. The trunk is not opening with the button. So I'm gonna show you what to do to fix it. First things first, if you can't open your trunk, I'm gonna show you on here because I already took off the whole panel. So when you look at the panel and the trunk is behind it, you know what I'm talking about. This will be on the trunk. And this plastic piece right here will be on it. So you take off that plastic piece, take it off, and there will be this right here. This trunk release right here. It's gonna have this that you just put to the side, like push it towards the side like this, towards the right, and then open the trunk. As soon as you open the trunk, you take off the panel, like I did over here. I took off the panel. You just pull it down, and it comes off with a flat head or whatever. Then, this is what I'm gonna do. I have a pin and a string right here. This is how I'm gonna test it. Like it has a bad ground, so I'm gonna just, you see this connector right here? That goes to the switch. I mean the button. This goes to the button, and this goes to the actual this to unlock it. You have the connector right here, and we're gonna put this like right here on the top one right here, this blue one, and just put it in there just like that. This is how I test. This is how I tested if the switch worked or not, if the button worked. So I put this here, and I put this wire, put this wire like here, like this. Now you take the other side, put it towards the ground, put it like right here on this bolt. You can put it here just to test it. So put it right here. It should be good like that. Put it like that. Make sure it's not loose, make sure it's touching. Okay, now let's test the button. Pressing the button right here. Now listen. You hear that? Now it works. See? See that? It works now. So I'm gonna wire this up. I'm gonna splice this up and put the wire right here on this connector. I mean on this bolt, so I can have a ground. This is how I'll bypass it. If you want, you could do it. If not, you can figure out something else. Me, I'm gonna wire it up and put it right here. I'm gonna use these to splice it on there, on the wire, on this wire, because I'm not trying to cut it. This will do. I don't know what you call these, but these work. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks like this. Yeah, this is some good ass shit. So I don't have to cut nothing. Just put the wire in, put this thing down right here, and close it. You'll see what I'm talking about. Let's start this. And also, I got black wire because I'm not trying to make it look, you know, obvious. So this is better than a white wire. Just like this. See how I splice it on there? Just like that. Put the wire in. Now I'm gonna try to put the other side over here. You know? Okay, this is how I did mine. Just like that. I put a zip tie over here. Can't see that? Put it towards the ground. If you don't have these, you can just wire it up or put it in this bolt. See, I didn't have to really use this bolt, so I use this again. Put it over here. Like I said, if you don't have this, you can just put it in this bolt, like across here, and just bolt it on until it's tight. And this is good right here. So if you want, you could duct tape this all together, like, you know, make it more invisible. But I'm gonna leave it like that. Should be alright. So if you want, you can do this. If not, it's up to you. Alright. Make sure you test your button to double check it works. Nice. Nice. Alright. And that is it. Just in case you want to see it when it's closed. Just like that. Bam. One more time. Yeah. Just like that. That's it. If you did not hear me over there, it's a little hard because I'm mad close to the generator because, you know, we had a storm. Look at my backyard, yo. Look at the backyard. You see that? Tent flew and everything. Trees everywhere on the floor. But, like I was saying, if you want, you can go, I mean, you could do what I did with that Versa, or you could get another button. And if you want, but you gotta do it my way. Save yourself some money, so you don't have to buy nothing. Make sure you put the panels back on, because you don't want to forget that. And that is it. If you want to do it that way, that's on you. That's how I did it. You could do a temporary temp for a temp. I'm gonna just leave it like that since the button's working. If you have any questions, comment below. Give me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics. If I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Till next time, man. Later.